HTML stands for the Hypertext Markup language, and it is the standard language used to create web pages. It describes the structure of a web page using Markup. HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991, and the first version that was created was the HTML 1.0. It has then evolved several versions: HTML 2.0, HTML 3.2, and so on. But the last version of HTML, which is the HTML5, was released in 2014, and it is the current standard, and it includes new features for multimedia, graphic, and more. What is the role of HTML in web development? HTML defines the structure and layout of a web page. It is used to add text, images, videos, form, and other contents on a web page. HTML works in conjunction with CSS, which is a cascading style sheet, for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. How does HTML, CSS, and JavaScript work together? HTML provides the basic structure of sites and modified by technology like CSS and JavaScript. Now, the CSS will control the presentation, formatting, and the layout, while the JavaScript will provide interactive elements and dynamic content. So together they form the foundation of web development. So what are the tools needed for writing your HTML? The first tool that you will need to write your HTML code is your text editor. And we have different type of text editor. We have the basic text editor, where we can state a notepad for Windows, text edit for Mac, and get it for Linux. We also have the advanced text editors like Visual Studio Code, Sublitex, and Atom. Okay, and throughout this training we'll be using the Visual Studio Code. How to set up your development environment. So the first thing you need to do here is to install your text editor, the preference Visual Studio Code, and then you have to ensure that you have a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari. But throughout this training I'll be using the Visual Studio Code as text editor and Chrome as my web browser. And we also install, but that one is not compulsory, we will also install live server extension for Visual Studio Code, but this extension is optional. How to install Visual Studio Code. You first open your browser and you type code.visualstudio.com. So from here you have to choose your operating system and then click on the download button. So you click on this button here and then you choose your operating system. If you are using the Mac OS, you click on Mac OS here and you click on the download button here, or Windows or Linux. Okay, so as I'm using Windows, I will click on my Windows and click on the download button here. I already have the Visual Studio Code installed in my machine, so I will not download it anymore. Okay, so just click on download and then the download will proceed. So after downloading, make sure you install your Visual Studio Code and then you open it. So once you are done opening, here is the interface. This is what it will look like for the first time. Okay, this is what your Visual Studio Code will look like. So what we are going to do, let's try to install our extension. Okay, so you scroll down here, you can see extension here, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X. Okay, it will direct you to the extension. So I'll click on the extension here, and then in my search bar here I will search for live server. And the first one here, click on install. Wait for it to install. It is installing. You can see here installing. Very good. Once the installation has been done successfully, you close your window, and then we will try now to create your first web page. Okay, your first HTML page. So you now click on file here, file, and new text file. Here select a language or fill with template. So I click on select a language, and I will type in HTML. Here we go. Very good. So here we will not write anything, but let's try to save our document first. So I'll go back again and click on file, scroll down, save as, and then you will save this file as index.html, and you save it. Okay, I already have a document like that. Very good. As you can see here on top here, you see the name of your file, index.html. So we are going to create our first page